Vanakkam. Today we are here on behalf of the DMK and on behalf of our leader Muthuvel Karunanidhi Stalin to stand with you, to support the youth of this country, to say that we are with you to carry forward this fight, this struggle. And many MPs from the DMK, from the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha today have come with me to extend their support and say on behalf of the DMK that we understand your struggle, because the DMK has been fighting this fight for many years. From the day the NEET was introduced, our leader Dr. Kalaignar and after him our leader M.K. Stalin have been fighting against NEET. We have been saying that this NEET examinations and whatever entrance examinations are against the underprivileged students of this country. It is against the students of this country. This entire entrance examinations, NEET examinations, take away the right of our students to enter into medical colleges. Children, students with dreams and aspirations to become doctors, to save the society, to serve the people of this country. They are not given opportunities to pursue their dreams because the entrance examinations become a hurdle, a stumbling block, and only the privileged students and students from cities are able to sit for these examinations and pass them. The DMK has been consistently fighting against it. We passed a law against NEET when the DMK was in government in Tamil Nadu. But you know, as many of the laws which were passed and which the BJP government does not like, the governor sat on it and now the president refuses to sign it. This struggle has been going on in Tamil Nadu. The students of Tamil Nadu have been fighting against this, fighting this fight. And today, we are very happy to come here to extend our support on behalf of our leader and my party to the students of this country who've come together to fight, to get back their rights, to stand as one from different. When I was walking in, I saw students from different parts of the country, some of them from Tamil Nadu. They have come here to say that we stand with you. The youth of this country stands against injustice. They've been calling us anti-nationals, urban Naxals. We proudly accepted that as a proud thing by the union government, because we are the ones who have been fighting for the rights of this country. Anybody who criticizes this government, anybody who raises their voices against this government has been labeled as anti-nationals, as urban Naxals. Today, young urban Naxals and Naxalites, as they want to call us, have come together to teach them a lesson and show them what the youth of this country can do and what they can stand up against. We saw the violence, and in spite of it, you have not gone back. You have not been frightened. Nobody can scare you away. We stand with you. Our party, the DMK, will stand with you. Our leader will stand with you, and all the MPs who come here against injustice, to fight for your rights, and we will continue this fight to do away with need, to ensure that the underprivileged, the students in the rural areas in this country are able to face a future which is just. We from the DMK, the Dravidian model government, which passed the act against the need, will continue to fight for you. Thank you.